A string is a sequence of characters. To declare a string variable, we specify the data type string, we choose a name, and assign an initial text value. Don't forget that you need to enclose a string value in double quotes. We call this a string literal. Now let's see some operations we can perform with strings. Concatenation is a process of joining strings together. The easiest way to do it is by using the plus operator. The operation returns a new string with the result. It is also possible to use the plus operator to join a number and a string value. This returns a string with both values together. And it's exactly the same if we use the plus operator to join a number variable with a text variable. The end result is a string as well. The substring returns a section of the string. So, for example, we can use it to return the word hello from a supplied string. Like an array, each character of the string has an index value. The substring asks for the index of the first and the last character of the desired section. But please note that it excludes the last character by default, so you need to consider the last index plus 1. To retrieve the word hello, the section starts at index 0 and ends at index 5. Now let's suppose we want to retrieve the local part of some email. We cannot use the substring because we don't know the actual email address. The only thing we know is that the email address has this format. Using the IndexOf, we can retrieve the index of a specified character or text. So, to retrieve the first part of the email, we can use the IndexOf to get the index of the @ and then use it in the substring operation. So first, we get the index of the @ calling the IndexOf on our string. And then we use the index to return the first section of the string. Remember that the substring excludes the last character, so the @ is not included in the local part of the email. Now let's consider the following example. We want to retrieve the last word from this string. We could use the IndexOf to find the index of the whitespace character, just before the word. But the IndexOf searches the string from the beginning, and returns the index of the first match. For these cases, we have to use the LastIndexOf. The LastIndexOf works in the same way, but it searches the string from the end.